Hello, my name is Niels Berghout and I'm the co-founder of SourceGeek. In this video I would like to talk about the Chrome extension which we built and how you can install and make use of it. So in order to have a very stable and easy connection with the LinkedIn platform, we offer an extension which you can add to your Chrome browser. And there are several ways how you can add the extension. One way is to go into the settings of our platform, go to LinkedIn and click on the Chrome button. This will lead you to the Chrome store where you immediately can add the extension to Chrome. Another way is to go to the general Chrome web store, search for SourceGeek, click on the item and then you also land on the extension page. Now the next step is to add the extension to your Chrome browser. In order to do that, click on the blue button and click on Add Extension. Now you'll see that the extension has been added to Chrome. In order to make it visible, click on the small puzzle icon, click on the pin to attach it, and then you have the extension in the top right of your screen. When you click on the extension, a little pop-up is being shown and you can see the status of your session. If in any case the session is invalid, make sure that you have both your LinkedIn and our app open and click on Validate Session.